I have a 2001 Toyota Celica GT. Customer requested a tune-up. There is a little bit of engine noise in the vehicle, so we're doing a high mileage oil change. As well, we're going to be adding a little bit of the Duralube Severe Instant Quiet. This will help kind of quiet down the engine itself. It has slight engine noise. It's just due to wear and tear. Vehicle has over 200,000 miles. So we're going to finish this up. We're also going to replace the spark plugs and get this vehicle back up and running and return it to the customer. Yep, these spark plugs definitely time for replacement. Really bad. All right, so we're going to add the new NGK Iridium spark plugs. We added a little bit of anti-seize, and this will definitely make the vehicle run a lot smoother. We're going to be torquing these spark plugs down to 13 foot-pounds. Alright, so the spark plugs have all been installed. The ignition coil is put back in its place. So we're going to start this bad boy up and see how it performs. Cabin air filter is in good shape, no need for replacement. This will save the customer some money. Alright, so we got done with this 2001 Toyota Celica GT. A little beast is purring like a real kitten. Customer will be very satisfied with it.